Good morning, everyone. I am Vinith Bansal from Computer Science Department. Today, I am here to interact with you all on a new topic that is number system. It is very important topic in computer science. Before starting this topic, you all should know how a computer stores data. All the data in a computer is stored as a number. All data stored on storage media, whether it is hard disk drive, USB flash drives, SD card, etc., can be converted to a string of bits known as binary digits. These binary digits have a value of 1 or 0. कंप्यूटर में सभी डेटा, जिस भी तरह का डेटा हो, चाहे टेक्स्ट हो चाहे नंबर हो, वो सभी एक नंबर की फॉर्म में सेव होता है। जितना भी डेटा कंप्यूटर में स्टोर होता है, चाहे वो हार्ड डिस्क पे स्टोर हो रहा हो, चाहे वो यूएसबी ड्राइव के ऊपर हो रहा हो, चाहे वो एसडी कार्ड पर हो रहा हो, सभी एक बाइनरी डिजिट की फॉर्म में सेव होता है, जिसको हम 1 और 0 भी कहते हैं। 1 का मीनिंग होता है ऑन वैल्यू और 0 का मतलब होता है ऑफ वैल्यू। इस तरह से हमारा डेटा स्टोर होता है। तो ए कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज, एज यू नो वेरी वेल। A computer cannot understand human language. It can understand only binary language, that is in the form of 0 and 1. So I hope you all have cleared how a computer stores data. So today we will discuss on our agenda that will be followed in this session. Agenda are number system, what is number system, types of number system, decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. And the new terms are number system, conversion, binary number, decimal number, hexadecimal number, octal number. And the skills acquired by the students are mathematical skills, conceptual skills, and practical skills. Now discuss what is number system. A number system is simply a method of counting. In computers, number system is defined as a writing system to represent the numbers in different ways. That is, we are using different symbols and notations to represent numbers. The total number of digits used in a number system is called base or radix. It means एक नंबर सिस्टम इज सिंपली ए मेथड ऑफ काउंटिंग, यानी कि नंबर सिस्टम एक मेथड है सिंपल काउंटिंग के लिए। कंप्यूटर की भाषा में बात करें तो एक नंबर सिस्टम को हम राइटिंग सिस्टम भी कह सकते हैं, जिसके द्वारा आप डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सिंबल और नोटेशन यूज करते हैं किसी भी नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए। टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स जो नंबर सिस्टम में यूज होती हैं, वो उनको बेस और रेडिक्स कहा जाता है। नाउ we will discuss what is conversion. The process of changing something from one form to another is known as conversion. For example, I have a number of binary form. I want to change that number in decimal form, then it is known as conversion. किसी भी चीज को चेंज करना किसी दूसरी फॉर्म में कन्वर्जन कहलाता है। Now, types of number system. We have four types of number system. First is decimal numbers, second is binary numbers, octal numbers, and hexadecimal numbers. In decimal numbers, the base is 10, that means it accepts the value from 0 to 9. In binary numbers, the base is 2 and it accepts the value, only two values are there, 0 and 1. In octal number, the base value is 8, so it accepts the value from 0 to 7. In hexadecimal number, the base value is 16, that's why it accepts the value 0 to 9 and A to F. Now we will discuss what is decimal number system and what is binary number system. In decimal number system, we have 10 digits from 0 to 9 to represent all the numbers. Hence, the base value of the decimal number system is 10. For example, 458, 784, or you can take another example like 26, 16, etc. It means डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम के अंदर जितनी भी वैल्यू होती हैं वो 0 और 9 के बीच की ही वैल्यू हो सकती हैं, उसके अलावा कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं हो सकती। बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम इज ए सिस्टम in which we represent the numbers by using only two operands, that is 0 and 1. Here 0 can be off and 1 can be on. It means बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम में जो वैल्यू है वो 0 और 1 के अलावा और कुछ भी नहीं हो सकती. दैट मीन्स 2, 3, 4, 5 you cannot give value as a binary number system. You can give only 0 and 1. For example, 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, and the base value of binary number is 2. Next, octal number system. We can define the octal number system as a number system in which we can represent the numbers using 8 different values or digits from 0 to 7. It means a octal number cannot accept value rather than 0 to 7. It means it will not accept 8, it will not accept 9. The base value of the octal number system is 8, and the hexadecimal number system are in which we add 6 more digits to decimal number system. That means 10 digits of the decimal plus 6, so it contains 16 digits. That means the value are 0 to 9 and A to F. There are 16 value, and A to F means it represent like this: A equal to 10, B equal to 11, C equal to 12, D equal to 13, E equal to 14, and F equal to 15. So base value of the octal number is 16, that is from 0 to F. So let's summarize the chapter. Definition of number system. We have discussed what is number system. So number system is simply a method of counting. Then types of number system. We have 4 types of number system: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal